If your faucet makes that annoying clicking noise when you turn it on or off, you're not alone. It's a super common problem that usually points right to the cartridge. Okay, so first, try turning the faucet handle back and forth a few times to see if the noise eases up that sometimes loosens whatever's stuck. If that does nothing, you'll want to shut off the water supply under the sink before messing with anything. Next, pop off the faucet handle. Usually there's a little screw hiding under a cap or behind a decorative piece. Once you get that off, pull out the cartridge carefully. That's the part controlling water flow and temperature. Check the cartridge for any mineral buildup or damage. Sometimes giving it a good soak in vinegar clears out gunk causing that clicking noise. If it looks worn or cracked, best to replace it with an exact match from your local hardware store. When you put everything back together, make sure all seals and washers are snug, or you might end up dealing with leaks too. Lastly, test the faucet to see if the clicking stopped. If not, it might be worth calling a pro before things get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with faucets clicking noises is ignoring the problem, hoping it will just go away. Spoiler alert, it won't, and that can lead to bigger damage like leaks or broken parts. Another common issue is not turning off the water supply before removing the cartridge, which can cause a messy flood and stress you out way more than needed. Third, using the wrong replacement cartridge is a classic blunder. If you don't get the exact match, your faucet won't work right and might keep making noise or even leak. Fix these by tackling problems early, always shutting off water before repairs, and double-checking your replacement parts are correct. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their skills, making it easier to get work done right and on time.